Hi guys! Welcome to the Batman house. Today, I'm here with my friends because one of my closest friends is celebrating his birthday and we're going to stay here for the next 2 days. So later in the afternoon, we're going to surprise him. He doesn't have any idea that we have balloons, cake, and food intended to celebrate his birthday. This is the Batman house. We go to the second floor. In the second floor, there are 3 bedrooms. First bedroom, it's empty for now. Nobody's sleeping here tonight. In the second room, this is where my friend Marley is going to sleep. By the way, every room, it has its own restroom. And the third bedroom is here. Maybe Kuya Resty will sleep here. I don't know. Welcome to the Batman house. It's a very good place to chill. Stay here for the next 2 days. They have karaoke. And there's a movie room with a bed in it. And with its own AC. Oh, just this lady. They actually have a karaoke machine, but we still haven't used it. Well, not one of us into singing. I'm watching Wonder Woman 1984 right now. Yay! Me. The house has 3 floors. That was in the basement. In the first floor, they have the living room. My friends are here. Hi, friends! Cheers! We brought our own food. The fridge has a lot of stuff inside na. Yay! Salamat sa sponsor! That's good for 2 days.
Pila day kasi manaw eh. Duha raman ka adlaw.
Kahulsam ano nila yung may alcohol. Ako tayo na grocery. How na day alcohol day ay 70%. And we'll proceed to the third floor. There's guardhouse right here. This is the third floor. So it's the master's bedroom. You see? It's unoccupied. Nobody slept here for the past 2 days. The place is just too big for for all of us. Nobody even used the bathtub. It's a very huge walk-in closet. I'll make a closet like this. And the stairs for the extra place. So bye house. Bye. I'll turn off the lights. Nobody's using this. Sayang. Bye bye. And then this is the extra place for the outdoor area. They have a pool. The neighbors right there. Say hello, neighbors. We also didn't even use it. Yeah. So that's it for the room tour. It's a nice place to live. At night time, it looks really, really nice. So that's it. Goodbye house. We're checking out in a few. It was a nice day. back again because we're leaving in a few. Bye! So that's it, guys. That's the end of our Batman house holiday. I had so much fun. I was drunk last night. But yeah, it's so always nice to reconnect and bond with your friends. Especially because it's more challenging to gather everyone during this pandemic. But anyway, that's it. I hope you had a great time. We weren't able to finish off all of our food. Yeah. Sila food. Bugay ko gabi eh. All the wine though. They're all consumed. So that's it. Thank you. We're going to plan for the New Year vacation. I still don't know where I'm going. But one thing's definite. I'll be here in Cebu. So that's it. Thank you guys for joining me. Happy New Year in advance. And bye. Bye, Baton House. Time to check out. So much fun. Hubog pa ko. Thank you.